You can see them. Look at that big one there. Yeah, there's a big one right there. And then there's a big one.
Wow, I see that.
Right there. It's hanging. It's so heavy. There's another one.
Look, it's on the ground.
Yeah, there's another one over here. Look at this one. There's one over here too.
Strawberries.
Hope the ants don't get them. Right over here.
Hopefully.
This is the Cavendish.
Strawberries.
Yeah. There's the red one. Oh,
Where's the... Look, it's not yet ripe.
it's about half. Now it's more than half. Look at it. There's a whole bunch over here. There's a big one over here too. There's another one turning red, orange here. I think. No, that's the lead.
No, strawberries too.
They're a little later than those two. Look at the lettuce, babe.
Hello, it's ready to harvest, babe.
I'm gonna pick lettuce tomorrow so we can have like a cookout.
Yeah, it's Memorial Day, babe.
So you can make
Happy Memorial Day.
You can clean the lettuce.
Wow, lettuce.
Casserole. I'm gonna cook on the grill.
Fresh from the garden. We're gonna eat lettuce tomorrow.
Spinach has got to get picked too, babe.
Spinach. You planted the spinach?
Right over here.
Look.
Yep, yeah. I gotta keep these guys watered.
Spinach, babe, is ready to harvest.
Yeah, it is. That's ready. We'll mix it in with the salad. Hi, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like the garden, don't you?
Your beets, babe, is growing good, babe.
Huh?
Beets.
Yeah. Looks like this is gonna.
Hello, you got 2 different kinds of lettuce, babe? 3?
3.
3 kinds of lettuce?
2, 3, 4.
4? Ah, yeah. There's another lettuce here. Different. But the other one is ready to harvest. Wow.
This is romaine.
And then this one.
This goes in half. Hopefully I can get it.
4 kinds. This is number 3. And then number 4, romaine lettuce. We got a romaine lettuce.
This is like a romaine.
Is that ready to harvest?
No, this grows in a head.
Hello, that's so cool, babe. Really, you planted this like this, babe? Spacing?
I spinned them out.
Ah, okay.
They need space.
Because it's gonna wide.
Yeah, we'll see how well it does. Look at, they're growing back together. They're doing better. See how they're
Oh,
pointing back
yeah.
up now? See how the tips? They're all growing up now.
Yeah, the piece.
They're all bent.
Michael planted that, babe, the piece.
I planted that and planted this.
Oh, that's the one you planted over there, Michael. Like,
Yeah, these are snow peas.
snow peas, and this one is snap peas.
These are snap peas. Yep.
Look! It's on the ground.
There.
It's gonna climb.
They're almost a foot tall already. Look at them.
Yeah, Michael planted this.
They're starting to turn. Point up. Look at these guys. Lettuce. We're gonna have red. We're gonna have red and green. Now what I'm gonna do is thin them out.
Yeah.
Peppers
Babe, this
are looking
insect, babe.
good. Where?
Look in this. What's that?
What's what?
It's crawling, color red.
Oh, it's eating holes. Whatever it is. Where?
It's under. Under here.
Under here.
Color red.
I have no idea. It looks like it's eaten. Whatever it is. Looks like it's been eaten at this. Look at this. Jeez. Chewing it all up, babe. I'm gonna have to spray them tonight.
Hey, there's a fly.
Where'd it go? I gotta get rid of them.
It's color red.
Yeah, he disappeared.
Down there.
Oh, he's gonna be.
Buried it. Daddy buried it.
Got rid of him.
You can rid of them now.
I'm gonna water these tonight again. These guys look okay. He's really thirsty, babe.
Sophia.
Look how fat they're getting, babe. Super fat. They're getting fat. Nice and fat. Look at them. See how nice and fat? They're about as thick as my thumb, some of them. Look at how fat they are. These little ones. See how stems get fat on them? That means they're bulbing. When stems, see, some are still skinny. But when those stems start getting fat like that, that's bulbing. It means it's bulbing. They fall over too. That's normal. That means you're just getting ripe once they start browning down, babe. These are still going crazy. They're growing. Look at the big seeds they're putting out. I planted all the cantaloupe. You're gonna get dirty, honey. Give me, honey. Give it.
Aying that. That's her favorite. Taking your
tags, huh?
your
You
tags.
Steal my tag. You want to steal Daddy's tag? You're getting so fat. Come. They're getting so big. Look at how big some of these are. See these wasps? They're looking for caterpillars.
Babe, you put here, babe? Tomato?
Yeah, this is
At
gonna
the
be gone in a month.
Ah, okay. And then you're gonna put tomato or cantaloupe?
Beans.
Beans? Okay.
Yeah, I gotta water these guys some more. They're so dry. Look at them. You gotta keep them pretty well watered. So they start, once they start drying down. Once they start drying down, then I gotta cut the water off and let them dry. These guys here. I think this is the best year I've ever seen those. These.
Yeah, it's standing super well.
Yeah, these are this is the
Standing
best year
so
I've ever
well.
seen these. Let's you run around.
There's a lot of stuff for Sophia. She's eyeing the yellow.
Look how wide this. Just look at this one on the end, babe. These two right here. Watch it, Michael. Don't
It's so
run into
wide.
these leaves. Look how wide these are. There must be that one there. That one there, babe.
This
I bet
is so
you it's
wide.
4 or 5 feet across. I bet you it's 5 feet across. This one. Look at. Don't touch them, Michael. Look how wide they are.
Excuse me, anak.
Look at some of them.
Yeah, it's so wide. This one is so wide.
Take her.
That one is not wide.
No, this one's more upright. It's a different variety. If you look at the leaves, these are super wide too. But yeah, this one. I mean, here's
This
one.
is wider.
I don't know
one
about that. Look at these over here. This one's like it's this wide. It's like 4 foot. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is.
This is wider here for me.
You're right. This one is wider.
It's so wide.
This one may be the biggest one. That one.
This one is so big.
That one may be the biggest. That one, and this one. These three are huge. Those three are just enormous. That's a big one too.
Yeah.
And look at a couple here though. These guys, look how wide these are. This is a different variety though. The leaves
You
are-
happy with your garlic, babe?
They're floppier. Yeah, I tried some different things this year.
Mm.
Tried a couple different things with the fertilizers, and it's better.
And then don't change it if it's
No, if it comes good back,
good.
if it comes best this year, then I'm gonna. Plus,
Just
I've been
keep
adding
it.
compost every year, so I think the compost is helping too. This is the first year these guys in here did this. This is purple glazer right here. And these are the ones that I couldn't. Remember, I had keep growing them. They're always small, always small. I said that it takes a while for them to acclimate. Well, guess what?
Doing well, you think?
They're really doing well.
Good.
I mean, you look at this middle one right here. Look at how big the leaves are.
Yeah.
And the stems are getting fat. Here's another big one. Look at this one. This is a glazed purple stripe, which is similar to that one. That's a marbled purple stripe. This is glazed. These two, very similar family.
Yeah.
These two right here are the oddballs. These are a marbled purple stripe too, like that family there. Not as big as those though. This is the marbled purple stripes too over here.
You planted different?
Yeah,
Separate, babe?
these are looking really nice. I sure hope they get some good bulbs on them, but they're looking good too. Look at them.
This garlic one here.
Yeah, these are looking really tall too. Look at that. Just waist high. Yeah, they're really tall too. The garlic did good this year, despite not having rain. Probably from all the.
Well, you have this drip irrigation.
That's what's helping it.
Yeah. Because last year it was a hose and then you were working, babe. And then I did
Couldn't
not
it
water.
good enough. Me, I just turn it on now, open the valves, and walk away. I
Yeah.
have to babysit it. And then it's not wasting the water because the water is all going to where it's supposed to.
Yeah. Cool.
See? These are going to be good. I can tell already. Yeah. It's going to be a good year for garlic.
Nice.
It's going to be a real good year. For all of them, I can't say that, but I say for a lot of what I see, the garlic and onions, really good year for them.
Babe, what does that smell?
What smell?
Ugly smell.
Probably something burning crap again.
No, it's in your plants.
Oh, fertilizer.
Yeah, it's ugly
Chicken
smell.
poop.
Chicken poop. That's what it is.
That's
So you put the cucumber over there? Cantaloupe?
cantaloupe with. Yep. People eat more cantaloupes than cucumbers. I can get enough cucumbers for a family just from that.
You
big
don't
pot.
try watermelon.
It's hard. You need a lot of sun for watermelon and space. Watermelon vines get 8 feet long.
It smells bad. Chicken poop.
The watermelon vines, babe, 8 feet long. You have to have a really big space to grow watermelon.
Oh, yeah.
You could probably train them something like this. You know? Potatoes, babe. I have to spray them before you feed me this. This is a great tomato. It's going to get tomatoes. It's flowered, babe. That one and the early ones flowered. Look. Those are going to be your 2 early tomatoes.
Why don't you take off the flower? Because you do that.
Flowers on those.
They're ready?
They're ready. The plant's big enough. When the plant's big, babe, you let it flower. If it's flowering like this tall, you got to finish the flowers off. Wait till they get this big. There's one going to open up here. Chocolate pear. There's one there. They're going to tie these up. There's buds all over. Early doll. And the plum. Not yet on the plum.
Okay.
That's the flowers.